As an estimator, accurate cost estimation is essential for the success of any project. But using historical data can be a daunting task, especially when using Excel sheets. Companies save a lot of data from previous projects, but it is often not well organized and not accessible when needed. Fortunately, ConWize offers a solution to this problem: an all-in-one construction bidding and estimating software. One of its most valuable features is the Similar Sections search module. With just a click of a button, estimators can access historical data in an easy and accessible way. The Similar Sections search module analyzes the contents of previous projects and identifies sections that are similar to the current project being estimated. This allows estimators to estimate costs more accurately and efficiently, ultimately leading to more successful projects. If you are looking to improve your cost estimation process, start using ConWize to make the most of your historical data.